Brooks barely down the street with the brim pulled way down.
This is the Texas Bureau of Investigation activating the Amber Alert system for Southern Texas. A child has been abducted from the town of Donna, which is located near the city Alamo, Texas, and is believed to be in danger. The child's name is Ava McLennan. She is a 10-year-old white female, 4 foot 9 inches tall, 100 pounds, with brown hair and brown eyes. She was reported wearing a maroon graphical t-shirt with blue jeans and white sneakers. She was reported abducted by unknown Hispanic males of an approximate age of 35 wearing black outfits and black ski masks. They are traveling in a white 1994 Ford F-150 bearing Texas license plate BZR2008. If seen, call 911.